these are new tail lights for my Nissan Cube. So today I'm going to show you how to replace the rear tail lights on a Z11 Nissan Cube. So that's what we're going to replace the old ones with. Bit of chrome. First we're going to start by removing these two screws to get the number plate off. I'm going to use a 10mm socket wrench to do that. After you've removed the number plate, you're going to want to remove these bolts here, depending on which one you want to get out. Today we're going to get both of them out, so we're going to remove both of them anyway, but we'll just start with one. So we'll start with this side here. Again, 10mm socket. Now we're just going to come through here, and you'll see behind the number plate bracket this little plastic thing here. We're going to grab a pair of pliers and squeeze the side of that, and that'll pop out down that way. So once we've done that, we're going to go back to the main light here, and you should just be able to, once the screw's gone here, you should just be able to tug it out like this, so you've got a bit of a gap here, and then she'll swing out just like this here, and you can pull her out just like that. Now once we've pulled the light out, we're going to see this little thing here. There's a little clip just here that we're going to press, and we're going to disconnect this part. Now that one's disconnected, we'll grab our new light, which is over here. We'll put this end in, and then what we'll do is we'll before we screw everything back together, we'll check that all the lights actually work first, to make sure that nothing needs replacement before it's all bolted back in. So lucky we checked because reverse isn't working, but that is because there's no globe in there, so it's an easy fix. Just take our old light and take the old globe out of that one. That one worked perfectly. We'll just take that one out and put that one in our new unit. Okay, we're at the stage now, all our lights are working, so now we can go ahead and actually put the unit back in. We're going to start by taking this little thing here, and there's two little tabs here, which go in these two holes here. So you're going to have to thread that back through this hole here, get it through the back here, and then clip those two plastic tabs into those holes there to hold it in place. Now that we've got those two plastic things back in its place, we're going to bring the unit back into its hinge position, and then it'll be a matter of pushing. We'll have your little gap here in which you just push the unit this way. It'll be a bit of a tight fit. There we go. And now that they're back in, we're going to go ahead, we're going to screw these bolts back in, and then we'll screw the number plate back on. There you go. So on the left here we've got the old unit, on the right here we've got the new unit. Thanks for liking, commenting and subscribing. Huge shout out to David from Cube Cars for these amazing parts. I'll chuck a link in the description below so you can check out his website. Catch you in the next one. I totally didn't cut or destroy anything on my car while making this video.